Shit. Part 6. December 24, 2024. December 24, 2024. And November 29, 2023. It's bugging. November 29, 2023. I'm gonna check the daily. No gaps. Nice bullish daily candle. 4 hour. See, I'm bugging. Let's see what we have. Let's see. We have that high. I have that high. I'll bring it down a little bit to 252.81. See, these two touches line up. Let's go to a 1 minute time frame. Let's see. Let's go to 932. Boom. Same thing. Seller step in, double bottom, buyer step in, takes out this high. This is the entry that everyone's watching from pre-market. Let's see what happens at 940. Boom. Only hit one target, but on a Wednesday, entry right here. So entry is 249, 249.45 to 251.91. It's 252. So it's a $3 move. $3 move. Let's see what happens with the rest of the play. Just holding. Let's see if it recovers. Nope. Stop out. Let's see. Nope, gave out. All right, next date we have is December 24, 2024. Christmas Eve. December 24, 2024. Check the daily. Nothing. 4 hour time frame. Again, we have a breakout. We have a breakout, dip, breakout, dip, trying to break out, dip. Now right here, we took out the prior day high. So we eliminate the prior day high. Now we're moving on a new high. So I'm not waiting for this high for entry. We already eliminated the prior day high. So this is a new entry that's happening right here. So with this, let's see. Boom. This is the first resistance locally. Let's see. I'll do this one. I'll do the lower wick instead of the higher one, because the higher one I feel like I'm being greedy. Let's see what's in between now. Is there anything? Nothing. Wow. So there's nothing in this area. All right. See what happens. So boom. It's 9:35. Entry right here again. Rejected. Double bottom. Take out the high. Entry right here before that pre-market level. Breakout hold. Boom. That's it. Let me check the 1 hour time frame to see if there was anything else in between these levels. So on the 1 hour, you have a few different resistance levels. Let's see how we reacted at each. I'm not gonna change the color. I just want to see what happens on the 1 hour time frame. Nothing. Okay. Let's check the 1 minute. Okay. We rejected here. Bounced and held. Rejected here. Yeah, again, so the only time I go on the 1 hour time frame is if there's no 4 hour resistance, or if there's a minimal like this. You could check the 1 hour to see what might be in between these zones right here. It makes sense, because from 441.67 to 446, it kind of doesn't make sense not to look for something on a different time frame. So these two are the 4 hour, and these two middle ones are the 1 hour time frame. And look how we respect it right here. But for the most part, that's it.